Hi, my name is Hanna Ilkin and I'm the author of Blue Mountain Mist. I want you to have a look at the sky right now. It's not that noticeable, possibly from the camera, but it's a very heavy orange smog. Now, I'm gonna give a rough overview of what exactly is going on. No, it's not the sunset. It is some type of orange clouding. And why is this happening? This is happening because militia called the knockoff wolves have infiltrated a lot of security agencies. So they have doubled it to make it a standardized global one community. This is horrific for us because when each region provides information locally, so when these guys arbitrarily go into every single agency and they arbitrarily now control the banks, there is a problem, and we do need assistance in Canada because they don't realize that in Canada, Canada with its oat supplies and its wheat supplies and its corn supplies feeds all the globe. And why is this happening? This is happening because two sets of Jews are violently fighting, and they are fighting because one is trying to push New World Order and the other one doesn't agree with some of the tactical maneuvers they are doing. So this is where we are today. This is not normal. This is royally orange in the sky, and we do need assistance. Now, these knockoff wolves don't have the educational requirements to manage locally. They're just managing like it's Saudi Arabia, and they may have doubled quite a number of high-end officials. That is my guess on it. And again, what you're looking at is a orange sky, and this is probably another release of some type of toxic material, and it's threatening the food supply is my guess on it, because this is what the globe will be eating. So we do need assistance if you do see this. And I am using a special phone to broadcast. I don't think they see this. If you do, this is very, very real in Canada.